In this video, we will discuss about the desktop video editor app. Okay, this video we will discuss about the best video editing software for YouTube. Looking for the best video editing software for the YouTube, adamantly head to the tool for the bar and the- अच्छा, actually hunt to the best tool which are the hair tears and matte bluing. One of the country rarely hundred and it is not a thousand option out of the permission out of permission out of permission. This is the solution of honesty and should follow the best video editing ever. The first one is Cyberlink Power Director 3065. This is the video editing and come out the video editing software for Mac and Windows users. It is easy to learn video editing software for creator including vlogger, broadcaster, YouTuber, streamer, and filmmaker. Easy to use, fast ranging, 36 video editing features, PIP and video editing and editing, LUT, color present and monitoring, monitor tracking, video and watermark in the free plan. The variety of the option user can overwhelming subscription plan. It's for creators 69.99 and for marketer 29 299.9. Lifetime lesson factor 20 19 and lifetime power lesson for ultimate 139. And if you are good tool enough to professional results, you can edit. Traveling director is a transition green screen video template, prepaid effect, special template, UI color, motion, title, and second one is Video, the best video editing software YouTube. Created video editing. People who want to learn like a pro without learning a curve marketing, content, marketing agency, social media, template easy to use, has customers for size video, screen recorder and stereo maker tool. Import YouTube video using just a URL. Download SRT file. Present export setting. No animation yet. Screen recording video editing. Green screen video editing is high rotation video. Adding a program to blurring the video. Adding the removing audio from the video. And next one is auto subtitle with subtitle editor and translator.